Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones setup for today. So, the question is, are you all betting men or women? Because that's what's here. Do you enjoy a coin toss, and do you enjoy pulling the one-arm banded machine? Because there's nothing here that is indicating anything. So there's a lot of bearish sentiment, and there's a lot of what looks like bearish views, and there's also a lot of bullish setups as well. So inside bar, then you've got a flat bottom triangle for the bears, oscillators all over the place except for the diversions, and nothing really happening. So these two levels we looked at yesterday are still very much in play. Strong area of support down here, and there we go, 35,052. And strong area of resistance up here at 35,537. So the minute you start drilling down through the time frames, you're going to see the big up, big down this week in amongst the moving averages. Look at this chaos here. So big move down, and then the buyer stepped in again. Oscillator's not helping us in the 3 hour. Above and below the moving averages, there is zero structure here that's worth trading. And the minute you get down to the hour, it just gets even worse. So you can see the last couple of days above and below the moving averages. The only thing that is constant is we keep forming lower highs. So that is a triangle that is forming, but look what happens at the close every day. So we start dropping, and then the close. Not every day, so that day was up, but there, going at the close, down, down, down. So I'm not sure what they're trying to achieve. We do have CPI data today, so it's probably worthwhile just waiting for that on the US markets, because I genuinely do not see any opportunities on this instrument at all. We're not adhering to levels. We're popping above levels. We're just ambushing people. So this is pretty much algos that are going wild and not committing to anything, but just looking for short-term trades to make profit. So you'll probably find, in all honesty, on the 5 minutes and the 3 minutes, you'll see some structure here. So you can see there's a swing low there, and if you look at my cursor, we had a bit of chaos here. What time was that? That was at 1:30. So that was at the market open. And then you can see big move down, big move down, and then there, as the market settled after open, that's kind of where you get the pin bar off structure. There wasn't anything else in there. There was a lot of tails here, but there was no pin bars that were hitting there, no inside bars, no engulfing bars. Let me just put that level in. So there's your level there. That was a previous swing low, and this is not a pin bar, it's a range bar. A range bar, there's a pin bar there, which didn't even come off that swing low. So none of the structure at the open was anything worth trading. But then what you had was, once the market settled down, there was your pin bar there. And that was the short. So this is on the 5 minute chart. So you can see, if you've got the time, you would have got there. And you see the separation of the moving averages so quickly. So you know it's going to be turning sometime. That would have been the first warning bell. And just basically move your stop down here. Gets through that second push down. It's not going to have a third push down. And there's your signal to get out of it. Didn't really get down to the level at the bottom. Was short of that level. And moves to back the upside. You can see there's another pin bar there. Entry below there. Another move down. So anyway, that's the only constant here is that the fact that we do have a series of lower highs that are forming. So it could very well be a triangle, a flat bottom triangle that would need to break before the shorts play out. So for me, trading the higher time frames, I need to see this drop. So 35,052 would have to drop. If you don't have work commitments and other commitments, then get on for 5 minutes and watch it during the open, because you do have CPI data as well. So you'll see the structure. Structure will form, and it'll give you the opportunity to buy or sell into that for the day. So I'm kind of on the fence today until CPI, so I'm not really interested in this until the bigger range breaks or this triangle breaks to the downside. That's kind of my view today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.